I just wanted to shoot a quick video. So we got the other RickSurprise working. This one's been out for quite a while. I want to say almost a year. One of the ballasts went bad, and had some help today, and I got that fixed. So glad to see these working again. Hard to get it to focus on the bulbs, but yeah, it's up there. All four are working, and then of course the last pole is both. All right, thanks for watching.